In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make dependent drop-down lists in Google Sheets. Start by opening your spreadsheet and click the cell where you want your main or parent drop-down to live. With that cell selected, go to the data menu and choose data validation. In the side panel, click Add Rule. For criteria, choose drop-down, then switch it to drop-down from a range. Click the small range selector icon, select the header range that contains your main categories on the sheet, and confirm with OK. Click Done to save the rule. You should now see a drop-down in that cell. Open it and choose US so we can build the dependent list based on that choice. Next, click an empty helper cell where you'll generate the items for the dependent list. Type this formula exactly, x index f8h10 match a8 f7870, and press enter. Here's what it's doing. Match finds the position of whatever you chose in your parent dropdown in the header row f7h7. Index then returns the entire column from f8h10 that corresponds to that match. In plain English, when the parent cell shows US, the formula returns the US list. If you later switch the parent to another category, the results will update automatically. If you see the values spill down multiple rows, that's perfect. Those are the items your dependent dropdown will use. Now select the cell where you want the dependent dropdown to appear. Go back to Data, open Data Validation, and click Add Rule again. Choose Dropdown, then Dropdown from a range. Click the range selector, highlight the spilled results from the formula you just entered, and confirm with OK. Click Done to save this second rule. Time to test it. Click the parent dropdown and make sure US is selected, then click the dependent dropdown. You should see only the items that belong to US. Change the parent to a different category later, and the dependent list will automatically refresh to match the new selection. A couple of tips as you work: keep your source data organized with a single header row for categories and the items listed directly beneath each header, just as referenced in the formula. If your data grows, ensure the ranges you used in the formula and the validations are large enough to include new items. And if the dependent dropdown looks empty before you pick a category in the parent, that's normal. It will populate as soon as a valid choice is made. That's it. You've built a clean, reliable dependent dropdown in Google Sheets.